Hey guys, good morning. It is 9:29 on April 5th. We've already had 2 trades on oil. We're 2 for 2 for $600. I'm not running gold today, but gold actually had a recent trade for around $400 in profit. I am in this YM short. Like I said, the market's about to open any second, so we'll see if we can get a nice drop here with a trail behind it. Market's opening in 15 seconds. So this is looking good. Now the trail comes into play, I believe it's $200. I don't typically, there it goes. Yep, so it's $200. I don't typically watch these too much, but here we go. We're getting this nice move down. Oh, it might hit the offset here.
Order filled.
All right, so hit the offset for $65. Kind of sucks because it was nice. I don't even know what it got to, like 250 or 300, but maybe the market wants to turn around. It's now 9:30 and 20 seconds, so you know that trade didn't take very long. But yeah, just wanted to kind of capture a trade or two live. I could keep this recording on. I don't know how long it's going to take a new trade though, so like it could take a long soon. I just don't know how long it will take. Well, maybe we'll stay on here for a second, see if it takes us long, if we can move a bit higher. Let me let the group know that the offset hit. All right, looks like we might get a long here in YM if it keeps moving, obviously, in this direction. I wanted to... Cool. 6 left, 3. Maybe I'll change this to 330. YM's definitely pushing here, so let's see what happens.
Order submitted.
All right, so we're in a long now here of the YM. We'll see. If we can get a move up here, maybe back to that 34,880 area. So again, when we hit $200, the stop loss will move up into the green and become an offset, and then it will start trailing shortly after that. So let's see if we can hit 200 here. 150. All right, let's see if we can break that 150 area. It seems like that was a little bit of a resistance. 140, 150. There you go, 155. See if we can push one more time, maybe get through that. Get up to 200, get our offset in place. So then there's absolutely no risk on the trade, so that's always a nice feeling. 175. $180. All right, we're looking good. 190. There we go. 200 hit. So we are at break even.
Submitted.
Now long ES. All right, so this is moving up. You can see this purple line is my trailing stop. So now it's going to just continue moving up as the trade moves up. So I guess that offset was good last time because it caught it exactly when clearly the trend was over. Oh, oil is also in a long. We'll see if YM can keep moving up here. Oh, perfect. This other order. So oil is green, 50. We're 380, almost 400 on this YM trade. ES is green, 150. You can see all that up here in the unrealized section since I'm only focusing on one chart. 475 on this YM, 500. That's great. 525. We love to see it. And again, all of this is being done for me. So I don't actually have to be at my computer when this is happening. I just don't really have anything else to do at 9:30 in the morning, typically. So I like to kind of talk to my members and watch the action. ES is green, 250 on 1 mini. Remember, all of these trades are just with one contract. All right, we're pushing even harder on this YM, 550. $580. Real nice. The trail is just slowly following behind. All right, 590, 600 on YM. ES is kind of slowing down. It's only at 75. Oil is at 120 in the unrealized. And all of them have trails. So all of these setups have trailing stop losses. They all have offsets. So we broke that high yesterday, that 30, or from earlier, the 34,880. There's so many numbers in YM that sometimes it trips my eyes out. I wouldn't be surprised if it does pull back soon, maybe to that 34880. And if our trail moves a little higher, then it might get tagged there. ES is now back at 175 in the green. Oil, 120. See if our trail moves a little higher here to that 34880. Because if it comes back down, I think it would come to that level. Currently, the trail is at 34870 and the action is at 34909. So a good 30, 40, 40 ticks away. There we go. We're moving up now. 76. Has to make that new high because it already hit 600 before. So here we go, 615. $170 on oil, 212 on ES. This is exactly what it looked like yesterday too. Oil, when like the first trade on NASDAQ yesterday was green, $3,000. The first trade on oil was $3,000. We've just had some really big movers already this week. It's only Tuesday. And YM yesterday, the first trade, that short, I think that got like $200 on the trail. And then the long got like $500 or something like that. So, all right, we're still moving here. I like the way it looks. So you can see our trail is at that 881, which is a level that the London session tried to get to and they couldn't. So I foresee if we pull back, we would pull back to that area and retest before another move up. So if that happens, then we would probably get tagged out of the trade. Hopefully that doesn't happen and we just keep moving up and then our trail just keeps moving up. I'm going to take a picture really quickly. Sorry, I know this kind of plays with the photo, with the video. The hard still photos are easier for, are easier for like posting on Twitter and stuff. Okay. This trade is 780. Look at this move. It hit 800. This is insane. Very nice. Oil's kind of lagging now, only at $80. ES is $350. At some point, we will probably get a pullback and we'll get tagged out of this. And so it's probably going to be right here. We'll see. This has been pretty strong. Pretty strong. $880. Is that what I just saw? Or maybe that was a 680. I feel like my eyes are playing tricks on me again. I glanced over and I saw something 80 and I thought it was 880, but I think the 6 just blurred for me like it was an 8. All right, this has been 12 minutes since I started this recording. ES is at 325. I think we're going to get a pullback here and probably get tagged. Sitting at 911 as the trail. No harm, no foul in $600. Oh, it's back up to 7 in a $600 trade that I did absolutely nothing but turn it on. And we already have the 65 locked up from the short. All right, back in the 700s. See if we can make a new high so then our trail can go a bit higher. Here we go. Here we go. 760. Nice job, Dennis. Dennis has already made 1,700 with oil and YM. Awesome job. All right, oil is back up. So 220 for oil in this unrealized, almost 700 for YM. ES is still around that 250 area. All right, we might get tagged here coming down. All right, so that trade is over. You can see now I'm up 665, so I made 600 on that trade. Overall, almost 1,300 realized on the morning, and it's 9:44 a.m. Got these two still going, and we will cut it there. All right, guys, thanks for watching.